दाग अच्छे है। जब भी आप ये ब्रांड स्लोगन सुनते हो तो एक ही ब्रांड याद आता है और वो है सर्फ एक्सेल। इट्स एडवर्टाइजमेंट्स एंड कैंपेन्स हैव मेड होम इन माइंड्स ऑफ पीपल। Surf Excel was originally launched as Surf in 1959. It became a popular household product in India as people started using the name Surf as a synonym for detergent powder. It is a Unilever brand that is currently marketing in India, Pakistan, Bangladesh, and Sri Lanka markets. With the launch of lower price brands, the challenge for Surf was to justify its premium by educating consumers how it is still reasonable than others. Surf introduced Lalita Ji, a smart, independent, prudent homemaker who is conscious of her budget and yet will never compromise on the quality of products that she buys. Lalita Ji became a household name and an inspiration for other homemakers, making her one of the most memorable characters in Indian advertising, as Surf was first of its kind to be advertised on television. The initial tagline of Surf Excel was, "सस्ती चीज़ खरीदने में और अच्छी चीज़ खरीदने में फ़र्क होता है," which defines the premium quality of Surf Excel. Later it came up with more empowering campaigns like "जैसे भी दाग हो, Surf Excel है ना." This campaign showed the confidence its consumers are having in it, which made it more popular to next generation during Y2K. 2 bucket पानी अब रोजाना ही बचाना. This particular campaign established the householders' ease of using it and promoted their quick wash product perfectly. It renamed itself as Surf Excel in 1996, and Daag Achhe Hai remained their latest tagline from 2005. Till now, this tag is standing out from them with different changes in TV ads. It made a real difference for them because it shows the philosophical relation of dirt with humanity, providing a social message to all. The Daag Achhe Hai campaign offered a different take in the detergent category. While other companies dwelled on the need to remove stains and giving spotless cleanliness, Surf Excel's ad conveyed stains are good, which means Daag Achhe Hai. It urged the consumers to celebrate stains because it isn't difficult to get rid of them. Their competition, on the other hand, had other detergent brands like Nirma, Tide, and others, which were mainly focused on the product features and cleanliness that they brought. The first advertisement in Surf Excel's Daag Achhe Hai campaign featured 2 adorable kids that stole hearts across India. The advertisement started with 2 children returning from school. When the younger sister accidentally falls into a puddle and starts crying, her protective brother dives into a same puddle to take revenge and makes it apologize to his sister. The innocence of both the kids and their charm touched hearts and made this ad memorable. In 2006, Surf Excel 1010 contest offered 5 lakh scholarship to promote education among students, alongside with Stain is Good. This campaign helped Surf to make a comeback with new approach. In the later parts of Daag Achhe Hai campaign, Surf Excel tried storytelling on occasions such as Diwali, Ramzan, and extended the core presentation of Daag Achhe Hai to highlight the festival through the eyes of kids. Surf Excel further extended the presentation of Daag Achhe Hai by associating itself with trending topics like general election during 2014. It ran the campaign "अगर उंगली पे दाग लगने से अच्छी सरकार बनती है तो दाग अच्छे है." Here the Daag stood for the ink mark used for voting, which urged people to go and vote. Surf Excel's extensions to Daag Achhe Hai campaign included "Keep India Clean", #Ready for Life, #Haar Ko Harao, which gave an emotional appeal to the audience and a reason to buy the product. Even if Surf Excel is the oldest brand of detergent powder in the nation, it established the age-old proverb, "Old is gold." Many big brands came to the detergent market, but Surf Excel always maintained its product quality and edged above the competitors in terms of TV ads.